Hi everyone, welcome back to Hero Handmade Crochet. In this super quick tutorial, I'll show you how to crochet a simple and cute flower pattern. It's perfect for embellishing your projects or using up your scrap yarn. Let's get started. I'm going to be using round rope yarn along with the 5mm crochet hook today to make this. And we will get started with a slip knot. So wrap the yarn around your index finger once. Hold the end, again wrap it around the finger. Now we have 2 loops on our finger. Grab the second loop and pull it over the front loop. Now we have our slip knot, and then insert the hook into the ring. Now chain 6, yarn over and pull through the loop. This is the first chain. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And then I'm going to insert the hook into the very first chain here and work a slip stitch to join the round. So grab the yarn, pull through the stitch and pull through the loop. Now we have a ring here, and then we will get started with the petals of the flower. First we need to work a single crochet. So insert the hook into the magic ring. Yarn over, pull through. Now we have 2 loops on our hook. Yarn over and pull through both the loops. This is a single crochet. And then chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. After that, I'm going to work a double treble into the magic ring. So yarn over 3 times. To make the double treble, we need to yarn over 3 times. 1, 2 and 3, and then insert the hook into the ring, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 5 loops on our hook. Yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops. Now we have 4 loops on our hook. Yarn over, pull through the next 2 loops. Now we have 3 loops on our hook. Yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have 2 loops on our hook. Yarn over and pull through 2. This is a double treble. Again work another double treble. So yarn over 3 times, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, again yarn over and pull through 2. This is the third double treble we are going to make here now. So yarn over 3 times, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, again yarn over and pull through 2. And then chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and work a single crochet into the magic ring. Now we have completed our first petal, and then I'm going to pull the stitches a little to have the space to make the other petals here, and then we will go ahead and make the second petal of the flower. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, make 3 double trebles into the magic ring. Again chain 3 and work a single crochet into the magic ring. Now we have completed 2 petals here. Pull the stitches to have some space for the other petals, and again continue to make the other 3 petals as well. Chain 3, 3 double trebles, 1, 2, and 3. And then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and work a single crochet into the magic ring. Now we have completed 3 petals over here, and then we just need to make 2 more petals by repeating the pattern. So complete another 2 petals and meet me back there at the end. Now I have completed 3 double trebles on the 5th petal as well, and instead of making 3 chains, we are going to make only 2 chains here, 1 and 2, and then leave a long tail for sewing and cut the yarn off. And to join the round, what I'm going to do is just thread the yarn needle and then I'm going to go into the single crochet at the starting point here and insert the needle into the stitch like this, and then we will pull the tail. And again go into the very last chain here, the second chain from here. So that it looks like we have completed the 3rd chain. You can see. With that we have joined the last petal here, and then we will hide the tail. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this quick flower pattern. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more fast and fun crochet tutorials. See you next time.